Hi, I'm Don with the Grote company. Today we're going to talk about setting up the 530 slicer applicator. We're going to start with a general overview of where the parts are on the machine. This is the entrance side of the machine. You can see the prox sensor, which is used for targeting. At the top of the motor you can see the automatic thickness control, and on the right side you can see the key bank for the trap key safety system. With the guard door open you can see the shuttle assembly. The shuttle assembly is used for stacking, shingling, and targeting. You can also see the thickness tray. On the exit side of the machine you can see the blade guide and its back tray. The blade guide keeps the blade in position while cutting is happening. On the drive side end of the machine you can see the A-key solenoid, which is part of the safety system. Inside the door you can see the lower blade scraper, the upper blade scraper, and the T-handle that's used to connect the cluster assembly. This is the idle side assembly. Over here you have the blade tension knob. On the back side you have the tracking knob used for blade tracking. On the exit side of the machine here you can see the two E-stops, the enable button, the operator interface, and the water controls for the blade guide.